Hey guys, so I asked you guys on Instagram what were some rooms in your house that you had some trouble keeping up with, and the number one room was your master bathroom or bathrooms in general. So the second thing was between kitchens and your master bedroom. So I'm going to try and make videos for those rooms as well, but today I'm starting with the master bathroom. This goes for any bathroom in your house, but in particular I'm doing mine because for me in my house, my master bath is also one of the hardest rooms in my house to keep clean, just because when I'm in here I'm just trying to do what I'm trying to do and then get out. I don't really have, this is where we get ready to go do life, where we get ready to do everything, right? So we don't spend a lot of time in here. We just kind of leave it a mess, or at least I do. So I do have some hacks for you guys. I have some tips for you guys on how to maintain a clean bathroom. I'm pretty excited to share these with you guys because I really think that they are some things you could really use and that would really help you. So I'm not going to stay in here too long. I just wanted to come on here quickly and let you know what today's video is all about. My bathroom is an absolute disgusting mess. I did not clean it before I filmed this video. Even though this video isn't really like a bath, how to clean your bathroom or clean with me type video, it's more of how to maintain. I'm just being honest. I don't maintain mine very well either, but I do have some things that help, and it's a mess. So I left it a mess and we're going to clean it together. Also, I had a few of you ask me to let you know how long it takes me to clean a room, and I think that's a really good idea, and I mean to do that a lot of times and I forget, because that is a very good point that I want to make. When you think about the time that it takes to clean a room, in hindsight, like say it's going to take me 30 minutes to clean this bathroom. I actually have no idea how long it's going to take me, but let's just say it takes me 30 minutes. In hindsight, it's like you can tell yourself, okay, 30 minutes, I can do this. It's just 30 minutes. So knowing how much time it takes can definitely help in getting it done. So I am going to let you know it is 4:15 right now, and I'm going to get started. Keep in mind, it will take me a little longer to do this because I am filming, so I have to move the camera around and things like that. But overall, we'll get an idea of how long it takes, and I'm just going to get started. So let's go.
Let's make a run together. I'll be by your side.
Okay, so the first solution I am making is just a window or a glass cleaning solution, and the recipe I found said 1 part water to 1 part rubbing alcohol and then 3 teaspoons of white vinegar. I just eyeballed the vinegar. It worked really good, so I'm just using a glass cleaning jar. You can find those at Grove Collaborative. And then I'm also going to show you my cleaning hack that is my favorite hack in the whole wide world. I cannot take credit for it. I learned it from my friend Katie from Katie Satilli, but it has been life-changing. You just get these little dish wands from the Dollar Tree, and you can even buy refillable heads if you want, or you can just repurchase the entire thing. But you just add some Dawn dish soap and then some white vinegar, and there you go. You have a great shower and bathtub cleaning solution. I always use a little bit something else. I really like the lavender scented Comet, and you can get that at the Dollar Tree as well. So I always use that as well, but you don't have to if you don't want to. And then you see here, I'm taking down my old shower curtain liner. It was a cheapy Dollar Tree one, and I really needed to have a new one. You can wash them and they will hold up okay, but I had already washed it several times, so it was just time to put a new one up. I got this one at Kohl's for $5, so I was just putting that up really quick. So yeah, anyways, those wands are amazing. If you take anything from this video, go get one of those and make that solution. It has made the whole cleaning my shower and bathtub process so much easier. I love it, and I will never go back to cleaning them any other way.
I'm ready to fly before we collide.
So now I am going to show you my next hack, and that is to get you a little bin. Again, I got this one at the Dollar Tree, and keep some of your cleaning supplies and some rags in this bin. That way, when you're in the bathroom, you can just reach down below the cabinet and grab what you need, and it's already all there. This has helped me tremendously with cleaning the bathroom. If I am done getting ready and I have a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes, I can go ahead and just wipe my vanity down quick. And then I'm using a command hook right here to put that inside my cabinet. And in a little bit, you will see I'm going to hang a rag there, and then after you clean your vanity, you can just hang the rag there to dry, and you can use it a couple of times because you're just using it on the countertop. You're not using it on the toilet or anything. So you can use it a couple of times and then switch it out for a new one, but it's all right there, and that way you can do it when you're in there and you're thinking of it. And then another hack for you is I always use the grocery sacks for my trash cans in the bathroom. So when you are changing those out, add several in the bottom underneath of the new one, and that way when you need to change out the trash, you already have a fresh one right there to put in and replace it. So you can just take the trash out with you as you leave the bathroom, and so you have no excuses. And then now I'm going to move into cleaning the shower, and I'm going to show you this awesome thing that I found at Lowe's. This is what I'm showing you right now. It was $10. You can get them at Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, probably Amazon. I'm going to have one linked for you guys. My husband just installed it in like 3 minutes. He put the little connector piece up there, and when I want to use it, I just pop it in there and turn the water on. And this has helped me so much with cleaning my shower because I used to have to take a cup and rinse it, and it would get everywhere, and I hated it, and I would avoid it at all costs. But because I have this really neat little hose thing, it makes it so easy for me. I actually even use this when I give Tucker a bath now, and you will see me, I actually can make it reach to my bathtub, and I will use it in there also. But it was $10, so awesome. I love it. I actually had a subscriber that recommended it to me. So yeah, I will have it linked for you guys. It has been life-changing, and that is another hack that I have for you. And then another hack is to clean the shower while you are in it. So I don't know if you noticed, but I have that little dish wand hanging in my shower at all times because when I am in the shower, I can just take it and clean the shower while I'm in there. And it really does help to maintain a clean shower. And still, every once in a while, I will take everything out and give it a good scrub that way. But in a lot of times, I really am just cleaning it while I'm in there. So maybe while I'm leaving the conditioner in my hair to soak or something like that, I will just take that wand and scrub down the shower. It is super easy, so that is another hack that I have for you guys. And if you guys have watched my videos before, you know I love these Clorox, and not Scentivia, these Clorox toilet wands. I did actually put a little bit of soft scrub in there also, just because sometimes I like to add a little something extra. It's definitely not necessary, but I did put that in there. But I love those toilet wands. If you don't have them, I definitely recommend getting them. They have been great. They really, I think, clean the toilet a lot better than the traditional ones.
Ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know.
All right, Alright guys, so I am done and it is 4:59, so that took me about 45 minutes. Keep in mind I did have my battery die I had to switch out, and I have my little monkey in here with me right now also, so some little disruptions, but I got it done in 45 minutes. I did not do the floor today. That's something I would do on a weekly basis, whereas today was, some of these things were a weekly thing, like the shower and the bathtub, but I had to do them anyway, so I might as well have done them in this video. But what I would do on a daily basis is clean off the vanity, and every other day wipe down the toilet and the inside of the toilet. So anyways, I hope that this stuff helped you, and I hope that you guys will give me a thumbs up for this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to go to the Dollar Tree and get some of these things that I showed you. You can find almost everything I showed you in this video at the Dollar Tree, so that is great.